Hello there. Hi Jimmy, how are you?
Hello, I'm doing well, thank you. How about you? Anything specific you'd like to chat about or need help with?
Yes, after a long time we just started discussing today onwards.
I understand. It's good to connect again. So, what's on your mind? Anything new you'd like to discuss or any topics you're interested in?
Yes, could you just tell me what is the going on in USA? Just want to know about Epstein file.
The US Justice Department has recently released some files related to Jeffrey Epstein, following a new law passed by Congress. These files include investigative documents and court records. The release has brought up more questions about his crimes and his connections to influential people. Is there a particular aspect you are interested in?
I don't know what is the file is included and what kind of knowledge is there, but I want to know about the in deep and which politician's name was found in that file.
The released files contain details from investigations and court proceedings, including testimonies and evidence related to Epstein's case. Regarding politicians' names, several prominent figures have been mentioned in various reports related to the case, but the extent and significance of their connections vary and are often subject to interpretation and ongoing legal processes. Is there a specific person you're curious about?
Yeah, I don't know which politician's name was found in that file and which country's politicians most involvement is found in that file. But I want to know about exact what happened in that file and what is the main reason this case was found very convicted and very bad things like all the countries want know about that file, which is the main reason, what is the main reason behind that file, and who was Jeffrey Epstein, and which type of business he was have, and another things, which kind of case details is included in that file. So please give me some specific news about it.
Jeffrey Epstein was a wealthy financier, and the files released contain details about his sex trafficking network, which involved the abuse of numerous women and girls. The reason the case is so prominent is due to the severity of the alleged crimes, his high profile connections, and the questions surrounding his initial plea deal and his death. While specific politicians' names have been mentioned in reports, it's important to note that not all such mentions imply guilt or confirmed involvement, and legal proceedings may still be ongoing or have concluded. Is there a particular country or politician you are curious about?
Yes, I want to know about United States of America. Is any politicians involved in that case?
Yes, some US politicians have been mentioned in connection with the case, either through their past associations or through various legal documents. However, it's important to note that being mentioned doesn't automatically imply confirmed guilt or unlawful involvement, as these matters may be subject to ongoing legal processes. Is there a specific politician you are curious about?
No, I don't want to know about any specific politicians, but I want to know about how many girls was involved in that case and how many total convicted persons is involved in that case.
The exact number of girls and women involved is still a subject of legal proceedings and reports, but it's believed to be quite significant, spanning many years. As for convicted persons, Jeffrey Epstein was convicted in 2008 for solicitation and procuring minors, among other charges, and other individuals have also faced legal consequences. Is there a specific time frame or aspect you're interested in?
Yes, I just know about Jeffrey Epstein was again found suspect in 2018 or 19. I'm not sure about that date, and after that he was dead. He found dead in jail. What was happened in their jail, and what is the things behind that case? I don't know. Please, can you give me some details about it?
His death in jail was quite controversial. There were many questions about the circumstances, including issues with jail security and his placement in solitary confinement. The official ruling was suicide, but it fueled widespread speculation and distrust about the official narrative. Is there a specific aspect you'd like to know more about?
Yes, I think he was dead in jail in United States of America, but I don't know which is the jail and which state he was found at death. Could you just give me some details?
Jeffrey Epstein died in the Metropolitan Correctional Center in New York City in August 2019. The investigations that followed pointed to significant negligence and misconduct by jail officials, including failures to properly monitor him and falsifying records, despite him having been previously placed on suicide watch. Is there a particular aspect of the investigation you are interested in?
Yes, I just thinking about it. This case, I like just know about it, and he was found dead in jail. So, what is the reason behind it? Do you have any knowledge about it?
The official reason was suicide, but the circumstances were highly suspicious. This includes evidence of numerous procedural failures by the jail, such as him being improperly removed from suicide watch and guards not performing required checks. These factors contributed to the widespread belief that something more may have happened. Is there a specific detail you're curious about?
Not sure, but I want to know about. He was found convicted in 2008. After, how can he move out from jail, and after convicted again in 2019? So how it can be possible?
After his 2008 conviction, Jeffrey Epstein received a controversial plea deal that allowed him to serve 13 months in a county jail with special privileges and not a federal prison. He was arrested again in 2019 because of new federal charges related to sex trafficking, which violated his previous plea agreement. Does that clarify things?
Yes, sure, it could be knowledgeable.
Is there anything specific about the plea deal or the 2019 arrest you would like to understand better?
No, let it be from the topic. I want to know about current situation in overall the world. Right now, the gold and the silver price is increasing day by day. What is the reason behind it?
Several key factors are contributing to this. Global economic uncertainty and geopolitical tensions often drive investors towards safe haven assets like gold and silver. Also, central banks around the world are accumulating gold, and there's increasing industrial demand for silver. Are you interested in the monetary or industrial aspects?
I want to know about monetary.
From a monetary perspective, the increased demand for gold and silver is partly due to inflation concerns. When currencies lose value, precious metals are seen as a hedge, protecting wealth. Also, interest rates play a role. Low interest rates make gold and silver more attractive compared to assets that offer low returns. Does that make sense?
Yes, and what about industrial?
Industrially, silver is in high demand due to its crucial role in various technologies, including solar panels, electronics, and medical devices. As global economies expand and new technologies develop, the need for silver increases, adding to its market value.
Sounds great. And what is the golden and silver rate in United States?
As of today, gold prices are around $4,533 per ounce and silver is around $79 per 77 per ounce in the United States, though these prices fluctuate. Is there a particular trend you're tracking?
According to your talks, 4,300 means how many Indian rupees? How much Indian rupees?
Based on the current exchange rate, $4,533 is approximately 4,07,087 Indian rupees. Keep in mind that exchange rates can change quickly. Anything else you'd like to know?
Okay, $4,533 per gram, per tolas, per carat. What does it mean? I don't know what is the exact rate of gold.
That clarifies things. The price I mentioned, $4,533, is per ounce, which is a standard unit for measuring gold. A single ounce is approximately 31.1 grams. Are you interested in the price per gram or per tola?
Yes, I want to know about per gram.
Based on that price, gold would be approximately $145 per gram in the US right now. Would you like to know the conversion to Indian rupees for that as well?
Yes. Could you proceed?
Sure. $145 per gram is approximately 12,175 Indian rupees per gram based on current rates. Is there anything else you'd like to know?
Yes. And how much reserve gold in United States and how much reserve gold in India?
The United States currently holds over 8,133 tons of gold reserves, making it the largest holder. India's gold reserves stand at around 880 tons. There's a noticeable trend of central banks, including those in BRICS nations, increasing their gold reserves recently. Is there a particular country or aspect you're interested in?
Which country has the highest gold amount? And please provide me 1 to 10 numbers according the reservation of gold.
Sure. Here are the top 10 countries by gold reserves as of 2025. 1. United States. 2. Germany. 3. Italy. 4. France. 5. Russia. 6. China. 7. Switzerland. 8. India. 9. Japan. 10. Turkey. Is there any particular country's reserves you'd like to know more about?
Please give me with specification amount of gold uh, with numbers. Hi Gemini, are you able to understand my question? Hey, where have you been? Okay, let's close the conversation. Thank you.
You're welcome. Feel free to start a new conversation whenever you like.